How you doing, guys? This is another video for Honda Elements. We are going to start today the Bugflector. This is the protector that goes here on the hood. I got this one for around $65 in Amazon's. I was recommended for a guy in one of the Honda Element groups. He said this one is like a plug and play, very easy to do. I know in other brands people been having troubles like to make it fit, so let's see how this goes. I'm going to open the box. This is what it comes in the box. Looks pretty good material. Looks very nice compared to the OEM one. It's not too bad. Of course the OEM one is the best, but this one can be a really good option too for the money. And it comes with instructions and some pins. Looks like it comes with 4 pins, and I think we are going to also use pins that are already in the car. So we're going to open the hood. Come on. My engine, well maintained, very clean, and we are going to remove some of these clips that already has here, and that's where we're going to install the protector. Let's see. So what I think I can do right now is kind of like just guide it, so we got an idea which ones we have to remove. So let's see. So over there is guided already. Yeah, this is gonna be a plug and play for sure. And so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove one of these already pins that are here, and then we're just gonna replace it for the new ones they sent us, which are longer, because now we are going to hold also the plastic and the rubber. So it's gonna be 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. That's all. And for doing that, we are going to use one of these tools that you can purchase in your local auto parts. You can also use it like a screwdriver, but this is going to be better because with this one you can pull those pins out. And I think those pins that we already have that we are not going to use anymore, we can always save them because it's pretty easy to break pins. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the pins. Let's see if I can find a good angle to do the video. There you go. I think what we can do is mark it. I already got an idea which one is the 2 in the middle. They're pretty small, easy to break too, so cannot save this. It's gonna be the 2 in the middle. It's gonna be pretty easy to install. Just make sure which one is it, and it's gonna be the 2 in the middle too, between these 3. This will make it easier to remove the pins. And this one right here. Now we are going to see this right here. I'm going to open this bag with the 4 clips. Looks like this one also has this part. I'm going to see what it is for. So what my guess is going to be like a stopper, so like when the wind goes it won't make any noise, but I'm going to read the instructions. I would recommend you to clean the area first, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean the area before installing it. It's a very good idea. I already cleaned it, and I cleaned the metal part of the hood, and this one is going to go under the plastic. Okay, so I was reading the instruction. This plastic is going under, and then this where you when you put the pins. Set up the camera right here. So I already installed it under. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just go under the rubber and then you install the pins. I don't recommend you to tie these pins. Yes, you're gonna use a Phillips screwdriver. Just guide everything first, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then after you do that, you can go ahead and tie it with a screwdriver. After you tie it, you close the hood. It's going to look really nice. That's very nice. Look at the big difference now. It looks beautiful. And these stickers, they are going to go right here under. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to kind of mark it, and then I'm gonna remove it again, and then I'm going to install this in each side, so that's way when it's very windy, this one won't make any noise or it won't damage the hood. It's very, I can see it's very like steady. It won't make noise or something, but just in case, I will definitely use this one. And that's all, guys. It's no hard at all to do it. And these stickers, they are going in each point. It's gonna go in there. I'm going to remove this anyways again, and I'm going to install this. This is just to prevent any noise or damaging the plastic with the hood. But other than that, still looks really steady there. You know, good quality. Looks very nice now. I have to give a review after a few months of using it, but big difference. Car looks nicer. And hope you guys like the video. I'm going to do more videos how to install a roof rack. That's my next video. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out, have fun.